Hello, this is introducing the edited ReaperReader, which imports Reaper CSV file into a queue list and puts this queue list with its timestamps into a timeline. So I have Titan version 15 here. You see it, it's a timeline. And as always, we start with a new show. So, disk new show. Okay. Now we record a queue list. Even an empty queue list would do. We create a queue list and put it here. Okay. I click on exit and we record a timeline and put it maybe here. It may have a track, it may not have a track, it's completely up to you. You can have already inserted some queues into the queue list, it's up to you as well. So next thing is I open my ReaperReader, it's here. Double click on the index file. It opened on the other screen, that's why I put it here. Oh, sorry, this was my wrongdoing. Okay, here, make it a little bit neater like so, and arrange it. Don't be scared, my desktop is a little bit yeah, lots of things there. So okay, here we go. ReaperReader, we don't need the undo history. Again, we start a new show, we have recorded a queue list and we have a timeline in there. The queue list itself, it's almost empty, so there are no queues in there. You can have recorded queues, it's completely up to you. Okay, so Evolit's ReaperReader, I have started with version 0.1. I may change the versioning in the future, but now I believe I could put this into the older ReaperReader and just use another version number, because it would work on older versions without the timeline feature. So we go to the localhost, we check the IP. It reads that there is a show, the unsaved show, which is our unsaved show here. So this means it has connected. Of course, you can also insert another IP if you want to connect to an external console. Now, there are some ways you can just connect to the queue list and select your file. In this case, it would just update the queue list timestamps. But if you select another timeline here, this is written here as well, import timestamps from Reaper and select that queue list is then added to a new timestamp with its timestamp if a timeline is present. So now timeline is present, it has an ID. Queue list is present, it has an ID. We select file, which in that case is my example file, markers created from Reaper, like so. And now I have selected both, and you can have a look here what's going on there. And we click on send. It has added a new track. It has added the timestamps to the queue list, and it has imported the queue list with its timestamps into the timeline. Just by one click. These are exactly the timestamps, and now you can start and editing it. So that's all it does. Maybe this helps for starters, but of course it's possible to add some more features or whatever you like. But this is what I wanted to show to you.